Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add beneficiary on Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add beneficiary on Western Union, firstly let me tell you that you cannot directly add beneficiary like a traditional bank account on Western Union. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of your Western Union's account will appear on the screen. From the main home page, scroll all the way down until you see Contact Us tab, click on it and then you'll find yourself in this page where you'll be able to find the contact information where you can call. Give a call to a contact number displayed on the screen and explain why you need to add a new beneficiary. They will guide you to the process, and that is how you'll be able to add beneficiary on Western Union's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.